Hey and welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today we have very interesting topic. Today we will talk about BFS, breadth first search. Last video we talked about DFS, which is depth first search, and today we have this topic, breadth first search. Let's start. In next slide we gonna talk about real life example and couple the BFS with the real life example so we can understand more this algorithm. For the next slide, we're gonna have a boring example. I'm sorry guys, but we have to. Let's start. Let's imagine this guy again. This guy is like the start node, and this all the doors is the three available girls he can ask. Let's start. First one, we have the doctor class that you see in the door, and lawyers class, and for the actor class. In the BFS we use FIFO, which is first in first out. Imagine that this guy have the priority here, it's actors, so he go to actors and ask all the girl inside of the actor class, can I take your number? She said no, you can't. Then he go back and ask all the girls inside lawyers class, and also he get rejected. Then he got the doctor class, also he got rejected. Then he will start with the first node that he were in, that he get in, which is actors. So we go to actors, we see that we can continue searching for a girls to him and see that there is girls class for nurses. Also he go there and ask them, and he got rejected. So we finish here, and the actors have no another class so he can go, so we finish with this. Layers has no other class, and doctor also no, so that this guy, he will be single forever like me and you guys. Let's go to the boring example. Okay, let's continue guys. So the BFS, it's using FIFO like I said, and level by level we searching, and the queue. First we have the A node, we start from the A, and in here we have the priority is the alphabet. So we go to the B and put B, first we put the A in the output, and we mark as visited. Sorry, let's mark as visited. Then we have the B, and the B we go back to A. We go back to A. We're not finished with A left. There is two nodes in A left here. So we go back to A and see that we have C node here. So we put C in the queue, like you see here. We put C in the queue. Then we mark also C as visited with B also. Now the next is D, so we put D in the queue and mark it as visited. Now you can see there is no other node that A go to, that's why we move it from the queue. You see here the A is gone now. So what we have next? We have next P. We search P. Is there any node in P? No. Why we take it off, or we take it out from the queue. You see here? We take it out because D has no other. So now we have the C, because the C coming before D in the queue. First in, first out. This is very important guys. Who is coming first will go out first. So in the C, what we have two nodes, E and F, and E coming before F in the alphabet. So we put E here in the queue, and we go back to C, and looking that we have F also, so we put F here in the queue. Okay, now guys, we finish with C. There is no other node. We mark this as visited and this as visited. What we gonna do now, that we gonna take it off. We gonna first we gonna mark it as visited here, and we want to take C out from the queue because the C doesn't have any node left. C, get out. So now D has one node left, so we put G inside of the queue and mark the queue as visited. So now the D will go out of the queue because the D now doesn't have any node left. So we take it D out. And guys, now we have E coming before F in the queue. That's why we put L in the queue and mark it as visited. Now guys, we go back to E and see that we don't have any node left. So we take it out from the queue. Now in the queue we have F, no other node in the F. We take it out. G doesn't have any node left also. You can't visit it. There is no other. That's why we take it off from the queue. Finally, we have L. L doesn't have anyone, so that's why we take it off. Thank you guys. This is what was our example today, and see you in the next video.